Let's kick things off with the first feature, Generate Regex with AI. Now I know the term regex can sound intimidating, especially if you're not a developer, but this feature makes it super easy. Zenphi's AI can now generate regular expressions for you based on plain language. You'll see benefits like the ones listed here on screen. Now, typically, users usually use a tool like, for example, Regex 101 to be able to generate these expressions, but with the help of AI, you're able to reduce the errors and lower the steep learning curve that comes with being able to implement Regex. This, in the end, is going to speed things up and also make it more efficient, while also providing all of the benefits that come with using a tool as powerful as Regex. Let me show you how it works. Imagine you're in sales and you want to extract email addresses from the body of your sign-up confirmation emails. All you have to do is go to your regex action. This functionality is available in all of our regex actions. So today we're going to be using find value with regex. All you have to do is in pattern, you're going to click on the Gemini action. As you can see, it'll open a prompt. And all you have to do is type something along the lines of find all email addresses or extract dates in this format so you can clearly describe exactly what you wanted to generate. So if we hover over here, it will give you some tips. And after you do this, all you have to do is click on Generate, and Zenphi's AI will instantly generate the correct regex pattern for you automatically. You don't need to Google syntax or even copy confusing code. Even better, you can test your regex right in the action configuration panel to make sure it works before adding. Simply click on it here and you're able to add a test string. So if we add this sample text, we can see that it's working properly and we can click on apply. And after we have applied it, we'll see the automatically generated pattern here and it'll be ready for us to be able to use. And as mentioned, this feature is available in all regex actions. Just click on the Gemini button that appears within the action, describe what you're trying to extract, add sample text to validate the result. And just like that, simple, fast, and super useful.